Good morning to everyone. In this lecture EC8351 Electronic Circuit 1, in the previous videos we have to study the unit 1, that is a various biasing method of BJT and various biasing method of JFET. Now today we are going to discuss the biasing method of MOSFET. In MOSFET is a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. We see the presentation. The N-channel enhancement mode MOSFET circuit shows the source terminal at ground potential and is common to both the input and output side of the circuit. The coupling capacitor acts as a open circuit to DC, but it allows the signal voltage to be coupled to the gate of the MOSFET. In this circuit, the NMOS common source circuit are here and the DC equivalent circuit. In the DC equivalent circuit, to remove the coupling capacitance in the base side and drain side. Now, as a gate current is equal to 0 condition, now the gate voltage, what about the gate voltage? If you assume gate voltage greater than the threshold voltage, the MOSFET is biased in the saturation region. The drain current is ID is equal to K VGS minus VT whole square. That is the gate voltage is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VDD. So in these conditions, the threshold voltage is less than the gate voltage. So the drain current is equal to VGS minus VT whole square. Now we are applying the KVL equation to drain circuit. We have get a drain source voltage. Now the drain source voltage is equal to VDD minus drain current into drain resistance. If the conditions of when the drain current voltage is greater than the drain current saturation voltage, that is a VGS minus VT, then the MOSFET is biased in the saturation region. Similarly, the drain source voltage is less than the drain source saturation voltage, then the MOSFET is biased in non-saturation region. And the drain current ID is given by drain current. Now, the voltage divider bias of MOSFET, the resistance gate resistance 1 and gate resistance 2 for a potential divider across drain supply voltage VDD, the voltage V2 across the gates resistance 2 provide the necessary bias. The additional gate resistance RG1 from gate 2 supply voltage facilities in larger adjustment of DC bias point and permit use of large valued in the source resistance. The coupling capacitance are assumed to be open circuit for DC analysis. The gate is reverse biased so that IG is equal to 0 and the gate voltage is equal to VDD minus gate source voltage resistance 1 and gate source resistance 2 into gate resistance 2. Now applying the KVL to the input circuit side. What is the input circuit side? Gate source voltage. So the gate source voltage is equal to gate source voltage minus source voltage. So the gate voltage minus of drain current and source resistance. Now we find out the drain quiescent current, that is a drain source saturation current into 1 minus gate source voltage divided by pinch off voltage whole square. So we find out the drain voltage is equal to VDD minus ID into RD plus RS, that is a drain and source resistance, addition of drain and source resistance. The operating point of MOSFET amplifier using the voltage divider bias is determined by IDQ I is equal to IDSS, that is a drain source saturation current into 1 minus VGS divided by VP whole square. So the drain source quiescent voltage is nothing but the VDD minus ID into drain source resistance. Now finally the gate source quiescent voltage is equal to gate voltage minus drain current and source resistance. Now we find out the drain current. So the drain current is equal to drain source saturation current into 1 minus gate source voltage divided by pinch off voltage whole square. So we apply the conditions of several parameters to calculate the drain current and to find out the value of ID and drain source voltage and gate source voltage and the complete set of source voltage in the MOSFET. So in this video, how to bias the MOSFET in the compensated voltage divider bias and the bias of N channel enhancement mode of MOSFET circuit in the potential terminal. Now in the next presentation we have to go to the small signal analysis of BJT. Thank you for watching this video.